Want to know how to turn junk commanders into gold? So, you're dismissing all your common commanders, which is a big mistake. They are not soldiers, they are statistics. They and they're your key to free power. A commander's stats and their first skill of the talent tree is to apply your entire match. So even if they're just a secondary commander, they have the responsibility. So you don't need to fully level a common run. Just invest minimal resources to unlock and boost his first skill, something like increase infantry defense or more. Then pair him as the secondary under your main legendary. You get a huge stat bonus for peanuts. So this makes your main army significantly stronger without spending rare upgrade materials. So stop ignoring your commons. They're free stat bonuses waiting to be used. For more resource setting tips, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of the similar videos. Let's see you in the next one.